What is a Lis Pendens? Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaurie. A Lis Pendens is a written notice that's recorded in the county recorder's office where the real estate is located, and that gives notice that there's a pending lawsuit or legal action involving the real estate. Basically, a Lis Pendens is a very narrow document, and it can only be used in certain circumstances where a lawsuit has actually been filed and the lawsuit involves title to the real property. So for example, if someone files a lawsuit against you seeking money damages because of a claim for breach of contract, well, that doesn't involve real property. So they can't just record a Lis Pendens on your home or other property because they're suing you for a contract dispute. Same thing if there's a lawsuit involving a car accident or anything else that does not involve real property, then the plaintiff cannot record a Lis Pendens on your property. On the other hand, let's say the plaintiff was a buyer of real property, of a home for example, and the seller breached the contract and refused to sell the home to the buyer, and the buyer filed a lawsuit for specific performance to get the court to order that the seller sell the property. Well, that would be an instance where title to the real property is actually involved, and recording a Lis Pendens would be proper. So the reasons for a notice of Lis Pendens would be to prevent the seller from selling the property to someone else and depriving the buyer of title to the property that would be awarded to the buyer at the end of the claim for specific performance. So basically, you need to be careful because the Lis Pendens can only be used in certain limited circumstances where title to real estate or real property is directly involved. If you have any questions about real estate matters involving Lis Pendens or any other type of dispute involving real estate in Arizona, give us a call. Our contact form is going to be in the blog post below or in the notes below, and you can also call us at 602-443-4888. We're here to help.